Hey guys, I know y'all probably been wondering if I'm gonna do the hard swoop ponytail, so I got it here for you guys. So guys, the first thing you have to do is get your heart shape parted out. If you don't do this guys, you're not gonna get your swoop to be laid in the correct position where your heart parting is very visible. So my parts have to be clean, and I'm a perfectionist at what I do. So I'm gonna part the heart out guys, and I'm gonna kind of slightly test the swoop to see if where it falls you're seeing the heart shape properly. So guys, so this is it guys. So I'm gonna just use some wax to clean my parts so that no strand is crossing over, because I love clean parts. When your parts are clean guys, your hairstyle stand out more and it looks a lot neater. So guys, remember our main attraction for this hairstyle is a heart shape parting. The swoop and the ponytail is kind of regular from a long time, but the hard part is what's new and trending guys, so it has to stand out. So this is my heart guys. As you notice, on the left hand side of the heart, I brought the part down a bit more to the end of our brows guys, because I want my swoop to be deep and neat guys. So I didn't put it right up, like up to the parietal ridge of her hair guys. I brought it down, the part down to the temples, so I can get a better shape swoop. So I'm getting my hair laid for her hair, not mine. I'm getting her hair laid for the ponytail. I'm only using the wax and the got to be glued, and I'm only putting a little through her roots. I don't want her hair to have too much product guys, just a small amount, because her hair is relaxed, so she doesn't need a lot of product on her hair to have it laid down flat and sleek. And if you have too much products, your hair is not gonna be sleek guys, trust me on that. All you need to do is just get some product on the roots and use a comb. You got to be spray and just comb and smooth down the hair, as you see I'm doing right here. Too much products makes your hair clammy and makes it wavy, so you don't need a lot of products for a sleek look. Just remember that guys. And also you might notice that I'm not using a blow dryer, I'm not using any heat or anything. I'm only using 4 things: the wax to lay the roots, the free spray to hold it a bit, my comb, and the scrunchie. So 4 things guys. And it's better if you notice all my ponytails I use a tail rat tail comb or tail comb, whichever you want to call it guys. So I use my rat tail comb only, not hairbrush, because hairbrush do not give you that smooth finish. When you use a comb guys, the comb teeth go right through your strands and sleek remove any knots or anything from the hair, so it have a sleek look. Look at it guys, you can see her hair is very smooth, no knots or no clamminess or anything like that guys. That's why I said use a small amount of product. And you don't need to use a blow dryer with heat, because too much heat is not good for your hair, especially a relaxed hair, because when your hair is relaxed it's more fragile. So all I'm continuing to doing guys, if you notice, take a close look how I'm parting the swoop. So as I go to the crown up to the top, I give a parting a little straight across the forehead. So the parting will turn out to be a half half moon shape or crescent shape, something like that, but it's not straight across or straight down. You have to give the part a little curve so that the swoop can go in the correct direction. I don't know what I'm explaining, guys, but I'm just hoping that you understand what I'm saying, because sometimes it's pretty hard to explain the tutorial, especially when you are focusing on the hairstyle to get it neatly done. So this is where I'm at, guys. You can see my swoop already in the correct position and it's laid properly. Anyways, I don't want to talk through the entire video. I want you to pay close attention to what I'm doing, guys. And I'm gonna remind you to subscribe if you haven't. Please remember to leave your comment, guys, and thumbs up the video, because that is very important and it makes it better. It is so much better for me when you comment, share the video, and thumbs up the video, guys. And don't ever forget to turn your post notification bell on so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this. Guys, look at it. This is so sleek. And look at it, guys. You see the heart? Oh my god. The heart shape is so popping. It is so visible. And it's so neatly done. Oh my god. Guys, I love this look. I don't know who came up with this idea, but trust me, this is really, really cute. Guys, I think it's Cardi B that was in this hairstyle first, so maybe her style is inspired. Her stylist did this styles, but Cardi B is a celebrity and she wore it, so we're gonna say it's inspired by Cardi B, but kudos to the stylist that came up with this idea, because trust me, it's really cute. So guys, for her ponytail, as you see, I'm just using some braiding here and doing some feeding. I'm gonna give her a butterfly ponytail, not no weave, guys, just a simple braid ponytail, but it's gonna be cute. So this is how I did it, the teasing, just to make a little fluffiness in it, the butterfly look, guys. And that's all I did. So guys, remember to leave your comment down below and tell me what you think about my hard swoop ponytail. Remember, I'm looking for your comment, guys, so please remember to leave your comment, thumbs up, and share the video.